Imagine sending data from 10 kilometers away, using almost no power. Sounds impossible? That's exactly what LoRa makes possible. In this video, we'll understand LoRa and LoRaWAN, two key technologies powering IoT and industrial IoT applications. By the end of this video, you'll clearly understand what LoRa is, how it works, what LoRaWAN does, and where it is used in real life. Let's start with a simple question. Why can't we just use Wi-Fi or Bluetooth for IoT? Well, Wi-Fi consumes high power, while Bluetooth has very short range and cellular networks are expensive. So for applications like smart agriculture, industrial monitoring, smart cities, we need something that is long range, low power, low cost. That's where LoRa comes in. LoRa stands for long range communication. It is a wireless modulation technique designed for low power consumption, long distance communication. Devices using LoRa can transmit data over kilometers while running on batteries for years. It operates in unlicensed frequency bands like 868 MHz in Europe and 915 MHz in North America, making it cost effective for large scale deployment. LoRa uses a special modulation technique called chirp spread spectrum. Instead of sending data in a single frequency, LoRa spreads the signal across a wider bandwidth using chirps. Think of it like this as a signal that gradually increases or decreases in frequency over time. This makes LoRa resistant to noise, capable of long range communication, and energy efficient. One key reason LoRa is so important is its ability to enable battery powered devices to last for years. In real world IoT projects, replacing batteries frequently is not practical, especially in remote or hard to reach locations. Another important concept in LoRa is the spreading factor, which determines how long the signal is spread in time. A higher spreading factor increases range but reduces the data rate. A lower spreading factor gives higher data rates but shorter range. There is always a trade off between range and speed. Because of this design, LoRa is ideal for sending small packets of data like sensor readings rather than large files like videos. LoRa itself only defines the physical layer, meaning how data is transmitted over the air. Now, here's something important. LoRa is not the same as LoRaWAN. LoRa is the physical layer, that is how data is transmitted. LoRaWAN is the network protocol. LoRaWAN defines how devices communicate in a network. A typical LoRaWAN system includes end devices gateways, network server, application server. At the lowest level, we have end devices like temperature sensors, soil moisture sensors, or smart meters. Gateways act as intermediaries, receiving LoRa signals from multiple devices and forwarding that data to a network server using internet connectivity. The network server is the brain of the system, managing authentication data, routing, and network control. It also removes duplicate data received from multiple gateways. Finally, the application server is where the actual data processing happens and insights are generated. LoRaWAN defines device classes: Class A, Class B, and Class C. Class A devices are the most energy efficient, opening receive windows only after transmitting data. Class B devices have scheduled receive slots, allowing more predictable communication. Class C devices keep their receive window open almost all the time, which reduces latency but consumes more power. In smart agriculture, LoRa is used to monitor soil moisture, temperature, and humidity across large farms. In smart cities, LoRa enables smart street lighting, waste bin management, and air quality monitoring. In industrial IoT, it is used for predictive maintenance, asset tracking, and monitoring machinery in large factories. One of the biggest advantages of LoRa and LoRaWAN is scalability, as a single gateway can handle thousands of devices. To summarize, LoRa provides long-range, low-power wireless communication, while LoRaWAN provides the network structure for efficient and secure communication. Together, they form a powerful solution for modern IoT applications.